The Switch 2 has finally launched, and it would seem the response has been mixed. On the one hand, many Nintendo fans are excited to get their hands on the sequel to the company's best-selling console of all time. On the other hand, fans are pissed off that there's basically no new games and the Switch 2 has very little differentiating it. There's no large leap in graphical fidelity, no massive increase in power, and some are effectively describing it as a tablet with Joy-Cons. Reports of stick drift are also rife, meaning the initial release for hardware is not going particularly well here. And then there's the allegations that the Switch 2 is going to suffer the same fate as the Wii U, flopping as a sequel to a highly beloved and best-selling product. All this, on top of new game prices that lead toward extortionate in a cost of living crisis, means Nintendo is cresting on the goodwill of those who support it no matter what. That's not to say the release has shown that no one wants to get in there and buy the new console. There's still plenty of footage of huge lineups and unboxings, which means that people are out there buying this thing. As a result, there's this strange sense of whiplash generated by the fact that the Switch 2 initially sold out and has people buying it everywhere, but at the same time, it's totally slept on. Console releases are supposed to be a big deal. It's always been something of a grand event for gamers when the opportunity to play new games that look shinier and can achieve more pops up. However, when a new console comes out and it turns out there's only one new game, and that game is a sequel to an already existing property, and it has an incredibly high price tag, it doesn't really give much to work with. Hence, the influx of memes expressing frustration with Nintendo's latest and greatest are totally understandable. It's highly likely that, in the near future, the Switch 2 will pick up a bit, but it really needs a new entertaining IP to keep it going. Perhaps Donkey Kong Bonanza's upcoming launch will give it the shot in the arm it needs. In short, there seems to be this sense of apathy toward the Switch 2, as it has launched with very little new games, as well as an extremely high price tag. However, the results show a dedicated fanbase who is still lining up to buy it, actually shattering records for the most sold-out console in a 24-hour period. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.